What's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. So welcome to my fridge. We're gonna make some food today. Are you ready for some soup? It's November. I wanna be warm. Let's go. Ginger and the oil is ready to go. I'm just gonna add in the tofu. I don't necessarily want to get like a crusty, crunchy covering on the tofu, but just a little bit. And then I'm gonna start to add in all the other ingredients. Now if you find that you've got a couple of pieces sticking to the bottom, don't worry about that. Once the water goes in, that's all gonna come up and just gonna add flavor to your soup. All right, now I'm gonna add in the parsley, the cayenne and the black pepper, as well as the vegetable broth. Mix that around really quickly. Now I'm going to start with 2 cups of the water. Everything quiets down. I'm going to bring it back up to a high heat and add in the rest of the water. Don't forget to taste this so you know that this is exactly how you want it to be. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, so when the soup is just about ready, we're gonna add in some dumplings. We got Okay, we're almost at the finish line. So now I'm going to add in a few noodles. Now this part's totally easy. The dumplings, so easy. We're just gonna roll them, throw them in, and let them sit for about 10-15 minutes, and they're ready to go. Are you ready? Let's go. So really simple, keep them small. Small, like that. Dump them in. Even smaller would be better. Dump them in. All right, that's it. Simple. You can put in whatever you want. I would even add parsnips, carrots would be great. Maybe some pigeon peas, something like that would be awesome in this. You've got to give it a try. But before you do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. I'm gonna go eat this. You go and make yours, and I'll see you right back here next time on Edible Fitness. Bye.